Hi, in this video we will see how to install WordPress using Softaculous. Type SeekaHost India in browser and select the SeekaHost India website. In home page, click on Login. In the login page, enter your SeekaHost account email address and password and click on Login. Inside the client area dashboard, click on Services. There you will see the list of your packages. Just click on Manage on it. Next, click on Login to cPanel. It will redirect the page to cPanel dashboard. You can even log into the cPanel directly without accessing the client area. For that, you have to type domain name /cPanel in the browser. Enter your username and password and click on Login. Once you have logged in to the cPanel, click on WordPress Manager by Softaculous. There it will show as no WordPress installation found since we have not installed any. So click on Install. Under the software setup, choose the protocol. Here I am choosing HTTPS for my website. The domain name will be selected automatically. In the directory box, you can mention your directory name or leave it as empty. Next, you have to choose the WordPress version. By default, it will show the latest version. Next, under the site setting, mention your site name. You can even edit these names after installing the WordPress in the backend. Next, type the site description. After that, enter your admin username and password in the admin account option. After that, enter the admin email ID. In the bottom of the page, you can install the pro versions of plugins with free of cost. If you install these plugins at the backend, it will cost you additionally. Finally, click on the install option. The WordPress will be installed within next 10 seconds. Once the installation is completed, you can see the WordPress URL and WordPress admin URL there. Click on Return to WordPress Management option. In the management page, you will see the details of your installation. Click on Login button for automatic WordPress login. Inside the WordPress dashboard, you can add post, media, pages for your website and manage your WordPress website there. Again, go back to the management page. You can enable and disable the options as per your requirement. You can manage multiple WordPress websites on the Softaculous. If you install more websites, you can see all the details in this page itself, so you can easily manage all your websites in a single dashboard. If this video helps you, like, comment, and don't forget to share. For more information videos like this, please subscribe our channel.